Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a little bit different. I'm showing you how I'm doing my nails today. I ordered these gel polishes from Amazon Prime and I just wanted to try those rainbow nails that I've been seeing online. These are my nails. I always do them by myself. And I'm starting off with the colors and I'm just painting the tips of my nails. And you can see the colors look a little bit dark, but when they are under the UV light, they are more neon. So I think that they will be more bright when it's dark outside. And I'm doing different colors for every finger. I'm putting on the color, curing it in the light, and then putting on the no wipe top gel from Madame Glam and cure it again. And I'm doing these two steps for each finger separately. So here you can see how I'm applying the color on the top of my nails. This is my dominant hand, so this side was pretty easy for me. It doesn't turn out perfect. I'm not a nail tech, but I like how it looks. But it's very difficult for the other hand, so you will just see me doing the left hand because I couldn't get it on video with the other hand. And yeah, I love the colors. I feel like I can maybe next time do one color for all the tips. This time I just wanted to do the rainbow look. I feel like it looks so cute. I'm sorry, this is my cat meowing in the background. She's so noisy and she always wants to talk when I talk, so it's crazy. Yeah, you can see me struggle here a little bit, but I'm taking my time trying to do it, you know, very carefully. And once I'm happy with the opacity and the shape, then I will. I'm sorry, my audio was cut off there. This video is, wow, it's a little bit all over the place, but I'm hoping you like it still. Yeah, once I'm happy with everything, I will just make sure that everything looks clean and nice, and then I will just put the light on again, cure the nail, put on the no wipe top gel, and cure it again. This is the only thing that I'm doing. I'm not wiping or anything. This is the whole point of using a no wipe top gel, and this is the way my nails are looking. Hope you enjoyed this video. I really love how these turned out, and if you try it out, please tag me because I would love to see your results as well. Love you. Bye.